Creating a DIY, do-it-yourself, credit improvement program can be an effective way to manage and enhance your credit score. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Obtain your credit reports. Request free copies of your credit reports from the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You can get one free report from each bureau annually through annualcreditreport.com. Review your credit reports. Carefully review each credit report for errors, inaccuracies, or unauthorized accounts. Dispute any discrepancies with the credit bureaus to have them corrected. Understand your credit score. Familiarize yourself with how credit scores work. Most credit scores in the United States are based on the FICO scoring model, which considers factors like payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit, and recent inquiries. Set clear goals. Determine your credit improvement goals. Whether it's raising your credit score, reducing debt, or improving your creditworthiness for a specific financial goal, having clear objectives will guide your efforts. Create a budget. Establish a realistic budget that accounts for all your expenses and allows you to manage your finances effectively. Allocate funds for paying down debt and making on-time payments. Pay bills on time. Consistently pay all your bills, including credit card bills, loans, and utilities, on time. Payment history is one of the most significant factors affecting your credit score. Reduce credit card balances. Aim to reduce credit card balances to below 30% of your credit limits. This will improve your credit utilization ratio, which has a significant impact on your credit score. Avoid opening too many new accounts. Limit new credit applications, as multiple hard inquiries within a short time can lower your credit score. Only apply for credit when necessary. Diversify your credit mix. Having a mix of different types of credit, such as credit cards, installment loans, and mortgages, can positively affect your credit score over time. However, only open new credit accounts when needed and manage them responsibly. Use credit building tools. Consider using secured credit cards or becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card account to build or rebuild credit. Monitor your progress. Regularly check your credit reports and scores to track your progress. Many credit card companies and financial institutions provide free access to credit scores. Be patient. Improving your credit takes time. Be patient and stay committed to your credit improvement plan. Educate yourself. Continue to educate yourself about credit management and financial literacy. Understanding how credit works will help you make informed decisions. Seek professional help if needed. If your credit situation is complex or you're struggling to make progress on your own, consider consulting with a credit counselor or financial advisor for guidance. Remember that improving your credit is a gradual process, and there are no quick fixes. Consistent, responsible financial behavior and a well-executed DIY credit improvement program can lead to positive results over time.